Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. But today is all about fixing this lawn machine from Bosch. It is the model ARM32. I'm using this lawn machine for cutting my grass at my garden. It has a power drive motor and it doesn't sound so well, the motor. Let me give you an example. Now at this moment maybe it doesn't sound so well, the problem. Let me open this cover and see what we have at the motor. You need to remove two screws. And there's the motor. Yep, this small thing, oh, there's a problem. It doesn't align very well at the center of this. Okay, and that's why it's doing this sound. And I can see that is all about inside this unit, only the motor and this metal steel just for weight distribution. Okay, we need 4 screws to remove the motor, but before removing the motor we need to remove the blade. Oh, and that will be very hard. After 3 years that I'm using that, it will be very hard to remove that. A little bit of lubrication, it will help. Let's wait. Okay, now let's try remove the motor. I will wait more for removing the blade. The ring, it is from the destroyed ball bearing from the motor. Let's see what we have. Long screws. Okay. Oh, I can see you're missing. Oh, there it is. Ah, that's why. And we can see these small balls are parts from the ball bearing. Another one. I don't know where are the other 8. 10 it is total, I think so. They've got inside. Wow. Good job, boss. Good job making a motor that is rotating so fast. And you've got this part not manufactured very well. That's why we've got a problem. And it's not staying at the center, but is moving around. That's why I hear this noise. Okay, I think we can replace that. Now there it is, this ring. And I need to buy a new. Okay. Small part from the motor, but this is doing a very good job holding the motor at the correct position. Now let's move on and remove the motor shaft. We need to remove these 2 screws. And there is this metal between the 2 screws. And now we need to just rotate this plastic. There it is. Oh, and we're getting this bolt inside. Nice. From the motor it gives rotation to the belt and rotates the blade. Perfect. Okay, there we are. I have just replaced the old ball bearing with a new. You can see this is different. It is better. And we need to reinstall this motor shaft at this position, at this belt. Again, it goes here. And we need to rotate. And that was all. It rotates very smoothly, without a problem. And the ball bearing. Let's install all the screws. First we need to install that here. Now let's install the motor housing. And I can see it fits perfect. We've got this plastic around. It is for the ball bearing and it fits perfect, the new. We need to install the motor brushes. That is holding the motor brushes at the correct position. And the same on this side. Okay. 4 screws. Now we need to install this plastic, goes here, perfect. And we need to install these 2 cables. It is for the motor brushes. One, it goes at this position. Just press, that was all. And one here, perfect. And this, it goes inside this hole. Nice. And just for the record, I have visited the Bosch service center and they told me I need to replace all that. For me it is unacceptable because it cost about 40 euros and I have purchased this loan machine about 85 euros. I don't think so is worth the money after 5 to 6 years. And honestly, this is not my mistake. Bosch, it didn't manufacture very well this area and that's why we've got the problem. But I did find a way and only with 5 euros I have fixed it and now it's working. Now before the final assembly, I would like to try and see if it works. Oh yeah, perfect, I like it. And next we can install this metal plate for the weight distribution, this cup was destroyed and that, but with some tape I think it is okay. Just install here, prevents any dust go inside the motor. And in the end we've gotten this cover, 2 screws, well guys, that was all about replacing this ball bearing from this lawn machine Bosch Arm 32. It is a little bit frustrating all the process, but now you know, you have seen what parts it has inside this lawn machine and how you can replace the ball bearing. I think Bosch needs to make a better quality part. I choose Bosch because I believe they've got a good tools, and I was thinking myself, after 5 years and only 1 time of use every month, that is unacceptable for me to replace this ball bearing. Well guys, it is what it is. I have replaced this ball bearing and now it's working. And I hope it will last long enough. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.